Hello guys, Java Python Interview Hub, test data in manual testing. So the main question is, what is test data in manual testing? So test data is input provided to test a software application's functionality. So for the explanation purpose, examples: usernames, passwords, values in forms. Test data types includes positive and negative inputs. The purpose helps verify how system behaves with valid, also with invalid data. The sources can be created manually or fetched from real-time system. So ready to test smarter? Like, hit to support our content, comment, share your thoughts with, and subscribe. Click to join Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much guys. We'll meet in the next question.